Welcome back to HP Tech Matters. Today, I'll show you how to give your Android emulator a sleek iPhone XR look by applying a custom skin. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. Head to your Android SDK directory and find the Skins folder. Here's a typical path. Remember to replace username with your actual username. Download the iPhone XR skin folder, link in description, and copy it to the Skins directory. Launch Android Studio and open the Device Manager. Click Create Virtual Device. Choose New Hardware Profile and customize the device name and hardware properties. Under Skin, select the iPhone XR folder from the Skins directory. The virtual device is ready now. Run your project on this new device. It might take a moment to load. Now let's run our project and experience it on our new iPhone XR. That's it for today's video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel.